Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is hard to believe. It is so hard to believe. Actually, each one of us is always ready to work hard, to worry, to sit and complain and just contemplate on what all is going on in our lives. But we can do all of this hard work, which actually requires so much of energy, but we cannot believe. Now, this is where our conditioning goes because we just cannot believe, because we can only believe in something we can perceive with our senses. Anything you cannot see, touch, and actually experience in your life is not true. And that is why we find it really difficult to believe. Even if you believe in something, your goals, your desires, your dreams, possibility of something good happening to you, there'll be somebody else who will just come and convince you. See, life is difficult. You have to struggle in life to make things come true. Life is not easy. And then you again start believing in the struggle, in the difficult. But actually, life is easy. Everything is easy when you believe. Your mind can make anything come true. All you have to do is believe, because when you believe with your self affirmations, positive self affirmations and positive self communication, what happens is this communication, this positivity becomes a part of your subconscious mind, and that makes everything come true in your life. A person lost his job. Now, what was he supposed to do? So he started a small business. He owned a small shop, tea and coffee shop with snacks and everything. And now he worked hard there with lot of enthusiasm. Not worked hard, but he worked with lot of conviction, belief and enthusiasm. He was liking his job. And his business grew. And later, after about 6 months, the company started doing well. And he was called again, and now he did not want to go because he had a flourishing business of his own. So that is how it works. There's another actor in Netflix. Now his father said, this boy is going to become an actor. My boy will become an actor when he grows up. And something happened. The father expired. And then this belief went into the subconscious mind of this boy. No, my father said, I am born to become an actor, and he gave auditions and he worked hard at it. Nothing happened. I'm not saying that when you believe everything will come easy to you. There'll be failures, there'll be difficulties on your way. The universe is going to test you, yes, but still you believe, you continue to believe. And this is what this actor did. He continued to believe. My father said, I am destined to become an actor. It must happen one day. So, though he had periods of sadness, nothing actually showing up in his life, not clearing auditions, he still did not give up on his enthusiasm and belief. And guess what happened? One day, the seed of his belief grew into this beautiful tree, and he got the main role in a Netflix film. And then from there was no looking back. So he became one of the leading actors in Netflix. So that is how it happens. You see, all you have to do is believe. When somebody is nasty to you, or somebody says something you do not like, it will not matter, because whatever somebody believes, good or bad, about you, oh, you are perfect, that doesn't make you perfect, or you are good for nothing. This doesn't make you good for nothing. So what others judge about you, say about you, will not have any impact on your life until you believe in what they are saying. Now, if it is positive thing they are saying, that will go on to make you more you will believe more. Yes, my mother has said I am good at this. I must do this well. So that will help you, that will assist you in believing actually. But if somebody is nasty and says you cannot do this, this, you are not made for doing this, what happens is it won't have an impact on you till you start believing this person. Now, once you believe in that negative statement, now it comes true in your life. So that is, self-belief is the key for success. You have to believe in yourself first. First, you have to have faith in yourself, and then the universe will start working for you. So that is how you ask any athlete. We have an archery ground near our house, and I feel so fascinated watching them all practice. What they do is focus on the goal where they have to hit, and there it is. They just hit on the goal, the right place where they have to hit. So that is how the mind will make something true for you when you believe. It is all about practicing. So practicing positive belief, positive thoughts, positive self-communication or self-affirmation, and this positivity becomes a part of your subconscious mind. So all you have to do is believe. You must be clear with your goal. What is your purpose in life? You see, you cannot dream about something until and unless this something, your dream, your purpose, is vibrationally already there in your life. Only the thing is you cannot see it, but you have the power, limitless power to make it come true, because the divine lies within you. So you can create it with the power of your belief. Why do we find it so difficult to imagine what we cannot see? For the universe, your most difficult dream, your biggest dream, is something really, really small. For it, nothing is big, because everything, it can just manifest in seconds. So if you think something is really big, for the universe it is not big. So if you just believe in your purpose, your dream, and don't get entangled into how it will come to fruition, how can you manifest it into your life? That is not your job. That is the job of the universe. All you have to do is be clear with what you want. Be clear of focusing on what is good, to give gratitude for what is good, and to believe in the worst of situations. It can be sickness, it can be financial trouble, it can be anything, bad relationships or anything. I can't think of bad things now. So anything, from nothing you can make something. That means the little things make the big things possible. So as you do the little things with lot of belief, with conviction, yes, I will be able to complete this. I'll be able to reach this goal. I'll be able to make this small desire come true. I must manifest this. These small things will go a long way to manifest the big desires. Big for you, not for the universe. So you can make anything come true when you believe. So this video is just to remind you, believe, believe, believe. Though you may be going through difficulty, though you may be going through the worst of situations in your life, you see, I cannot make you believe in your dreams. I can just tell you, I can just remind you about this. The law of attraction, about manifestation, about belief, about faith, about prayer. But all the thing that this work must be done by you. You have to take the step of believing in your abilities. You are fantastic. You are awesome as you are right now. And you can just keep improving. That is belief. I'll make something come true with my grit, with my belief, with my faith in the higher power, the universe. And yes, it will come true in your life. So all you have to do is believe, believe, believe. Most of the comments are about, I can see angel numbers, nothing happened. Now you see nothing happening when you say this. It only shows you do not believe. Everything will happen in the divine timing. You cannot make things happen because that is not your work. That is co-creation with the universe. But what is in your hands is to believe. Just believe. Have faith. Just, instead of worrying, that will take much of your energy. Just pray. And instead of sitting and worrying about, oh, I have failed in this, I have not been able to do this well, just believe in yourself. This was the past. This was a negative experience I had. That's fine. It is just teaching me something. And now move on and believe. Keep going and you'll reach your goal. You'll know your purpose and you'll manifest anything, everything that you have ever desired in your life. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. You know it. I love you and my prayers and blessings are always with you. I wish lot of abundance, good health, love, and everything that you wish for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me here. Namaste.